Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just.
Go. Oh, go.
Hey, man. Am I driving okay?
I'm getting to my weight because I found a stick canine.
Nowhere near an asshole. Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Look at all that dead shit. Don't you want to be pretty?
Thank you, Pepper. Thank you, Mama.
A ver, espera, pero ¿quién es este hombre, hija?
Oh, his mouth. Look at him.
The little kid. Wow.
My animals are dumber than a box of rocks, but they're oh, he might make it. Maybe oh!
So how does it work? I throw it. If I make it, he's got to dump the water and take a sip, and then go for that. Yep, and then once he hits it,
literally, he likes to be like,
or no,
I got it, right by his eyeball.
I mean, wire fried is a little out of Don't get greedy. Just a little bit. There's no beef just in case. Oh, no shit.
Go get him. Good girl.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
You got it.
Hey! Gus, leave some for him.
Buddy, I think it's
He
gone.
ate it all!
Look at his face. The light. Right here. Hold it still. You're not a very good helper.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Oh! I've McFallen! Oh, I'm sorry. I've McFallen. Stop. Nose.
Treat. 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 Hill.
Leyland just found the stick on Mike's hikes. He's bringing it home.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Parkour!
I'm gonna dig a hole. Look. Now I'm gonna dig a hole.
Pull it to the curb. Do it now. Redder wants to say hi. Don't touch that!
The lobster. I take the lobster. I take the lobster. Just get here.
I'm alive! I'm dead! I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you.
One.
Here, pick it.
Here.
Right there.
One there.
Not the enemy, I promise you. He didn't do it. It was the other broom. Rocky. I want to sweep the... Rocky, can I...
Часто спрашивают, подрезаю я ли мажору ногти, когти. Мажор!
Huwag tayo maninaya yan. Abe.
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi misma mano! ¡Con mi misma mano! Pues es que...
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
А ты кушать из чего потом будешь?
So calm. Ooh, babe, go get my belt. Babe, go get my belt.
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off like a water slide. Smooth brain. Smooth.
Stop him, Lola.
He's moving his hair around so I can't get it.
You hurt? You hurt?
You bitch!
stay. वीडियो लेना आप ठीक है
वीडियो ले रहा हूँ
लॉन्ग में स्टे ऑस्कर
Что ты хочешь? Дай сметана. Что ты людей позоришь, блядь? Дай сметана, блядь. Дай сметана. Я, блядь. Дай сметана. Я, блядь. Дай сметана.
Are you serious? Like, I get you want me to pet you, but like, you gotta be in my pocket? You're not gonna fit in my pocket, dude.
Where's that belly of yours? That fat belly. Where's that fat
Oh. Oh.
It's over, y'all. They trying to deport Coco because he part German Shepherd. Why ice gotta be so cold, gang?
Don't forget, there's still an entire half of football to play. So as much as we say, hey, Montana State, they have to get it going. They have to get the pass game going. This is a team that runs for over 300.
Get him. Hey, okay, it's time to go.
Do it again.
Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
Tubby said, "How dare these humans walk on the opposite side of his street?"
Frank!
Hasta las... A mí se le todos que hay que venir al concurso. Ya hicimos la...
Wow.
No, no señor. No. No. Get it? Oh my God! Dude! Whoa!
Maverick! Maverick! Maverick!
He thinks I be playing with him.
Get out. Get yours. Go.
Come on, come on.
peeing out. She doesn't want to play right now.
Я думал, собака, а не белка.
I'm sorry. Are you ready to eat now? Are you ready to eat now?
To go to, yes.
My Lord, why don't you scare me?
Are your armpits so ticklish? Are your armpits so ticklish?
Excuse me, what do we have here? Are you supposed to be on the couch?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
He's a good boy. Listen to him snarl.
He's trying to make snow angels. He's watching it and goes,
Somebody bury him.
he tries to make.
Who is it? Who is it?
Go for a walk? Huh? You go for a walk? Let's go for a walk!
I love you, buddy. He's so scared. He's so scared he gets his.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
Hey! No.